This is the most famous graph in economics, possibly the whole world. It tells the story of supply intersecting with demand to give us a stable equilibrium that determines the price and the quantity of the product that will be sold in this market forevermore. It's a nice story, but does it reflect reality? Well, no. Here's a graph of US GDP growth, which isn't constant at all, but is changing all the time and, crucially, looks rather cyclical. This is a graph of US unemployment, which also looks very cyclical. And here's interest rates, which again are cyclical. In fact, everything in the economy is moving all the time. We have booms and we have busts, but a static equilibrium model cannot generate either of these outcomes, so it's useless. A static model in a dynamic world at best is like looking at one single frame out of an entire movie. It won't tell you much about the story. Now, there are models, such as that of Hyman-Minsky, which not only can generate recessions, but demonstrate that they're inevitable. But universities aren't interested in teaching these, and so they continue to churn out graduates who just don't understand how the economy works. And then those people go on to work at the Bank of England or at the Treasury, making policy that affects all of us. And that is why things are getting worse instead of better. Universities are failing us. Economics is dead. Long live realonomics. Thank you.